Okay, so here's the engine. The last video on the engine running with the hole on the intake manifold is patched. That's it right there. It's very hard, and it did the repair pretty good. So that ain't going nowhere. So I haven't taken it out yet. I did it about a week ago, and we'll see what it does under pressure. But usually this area doesn't have a lot of pressure, just a little backflow that for heating the thermostat for the carburetor, but that's usually on the other side. So it's a hotter area here for some reason on both engines. And there's the coil. That's the coil right there. So everything's working fine on this engine. All right, later.